Are you tired of boring and uninspiring e-learning courses? Look no further. Let's look at how to use storyboarding to create captivating e-learning courses that will leave your learners wanting more. Hello and welcome to WizCabin. In this video, you'll learn how to use storyboarding to create dynamic and interactive e-learning courses that will captivate and engage your learners. Let's begin. First, let's understand what storyboarding is in e-learning. Storyboarding is a visual representation of the content and structure of an e-learning course. It's like a blueprint or roadmap of the course. The storyboard outlines the key elements of the course, such as the main objectives, interactive elements, multimedia elements, and assessments. Using a storyboard, you can plan and design your e-learning course in a more organized and systematic manner. And the best part is, storyboarding is not just for instructional designers. Anyone can create a storyboard, regardless of their technical background or experience. Now that you understand what storyboarding is, let's talk about why it's important in e-learning. Storyboarding helps you to clarify your thoughts and ideas and ensure that all the key elements are covered. It helps you to ensure that the course is structured in a logical and coherent manner and that all the elements work together to support the overall learning experience. In addition, storyboarding can save time and effort in the long run. It helps to identify potential issues and challenges before you start developing the actual course. Now, let's talk about the steps involved in creating a storyboard for e-learning. Define the learning objectives. Clearly define what you want to teach and what your learners should be able to do after taking the course. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your storyboard aligns with your goals. Organize the content. Break down your content into manageable chunks and determine the structure of your course. This will help you create a clear and easy-to-follow storyboard. Determine multimedia elements. Decide which multimedia elements you want to include in your course, such as images, videos, audio, and animations. This will help make your course more engaging and effective. Outline the script. Write a brief outline for each section of your course, including the main points, activities, and multimedia elements. This will help you see how your course fits together and ensure that you haven't forgotten anything important. Use templates. Consider using templates to create your storyboard for consistency and professionalism. Templates can also help you save time and ensure that you include all the necessary elements in your storyboard. Review and revise. Review your storyboard and make any necessary revisions to ensure that it is effective and engaging for your learners. This is also a good time to get feedback from others to identify areas for improvement. Finalize your storyboard. Once you've completed the revisions, finalize your storyboard and prepare to create your e-learning course. This may include creating multimedia elements, writing scripts, and designing activities. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive and effective storyboard for your e-learning course that meets your learning objectives and engages your learners. Use a storyboarding tool or software for creating your storyboard. These tools help you to create a visual representation of the course in a more efficient and streamlined manner. Now that you know how to create a storyboard, let's talk about some best practices for storyboarding in e-learning. Define your learning objectives. This will help guide the development of your storyboard and ensure that your course is focused and relevant. Organize the content. This can help ensure that the information is presented in a logical and easy-to-follow manner. Determine the use of multimedia. This can help bring your content to life and make it more engaging for learners. Outline the script. This can help ensure that your storyboard is comprehensive and that you have a clear understanding of what you want to cover in each section. Use templates. This can help streamline the process and ensure that your storyboard is consistent and professional looking. Review and revise. This can help ensure that your course is well designed, engaging, and effective. Get feedback. This can help you identify areas for improvement and ensure that your course is on track to meet your learning objectives. By following these best practices for storyboarding and e-learning, you can create an effective, engaging, and well-designed e-learning course that meets the needs of your learners. This can help improve the overall success of your e-learning initiative. Now, let's take a look at some real-life examples of storyboarding and e-learning. Corporate training. A corporation might use storyboarding to create an e-learning course to train employees on a new software system or product. The storyboard would include the learning objectives, outline of content, multimedia elements, and activities to engage learners. K-12 education. A school district might use storyboarding to create an e-learning course for students to learn a new subject or skill. The storyboard would include the learning objectives, outline of content, multimedia elements, and assessments to evaluate students' understanding. Healthcare. A hospital might use storyboarding to create an e-learning course for patients to learn about a medical condition, treatment options, or aftercare. The storyboard would include the learning objectives, outline of content, multimedia elements, and interactive simulations to help patients understand the information. Sales and marketing. A company might use storyboarding to create an e-learning course for sales representatives to learn about a new product or service. The storyboard would include the learning objectives, outline of content, multimedia elements, and assessments to evaluate the sales representative's understanding and ability to sell the product. These are just a few examples of how storyboarding is used in e-learning to create effective and engaging courses that meet specific learning objectives. In conclusion, storyboarding is a powerful tool for creating engaging and effective e-learning experiences. By using storyboarding, you can ensure that your e-learning course is structured in a logical and coherent manner and that all the elements work together to support the overall learning experience. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding! If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.